Good morning, students. Welcome to SVR online classes. Yesterday I explained the points. Yesterday I informed you should be ready with your classwork because today I am taking exercise 1.1. I started the question already. I given how many chapters is there in first chapter. There are 7 chapters in part 1. Integers, fractions and decimals, data handling, simple equations, lines and angles, the triangle and its properties, congruency of triangles. So I started today, yesterday, day before yesterday I started integers. Till now I explained the points. Now today I am explaining exercise 1.1. What today I am explaining, all of you write down neatly in your classwork. So daily you should complete your classwork. Don't keep your classwork pending. In time you should complete the classwork. So and it is easy for you also, because for test, when tests are there, in that time you need classwork for preparation. So students, compulsory write down in the classwork exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. First question. Who, for basic maths, if you basic maths you written in the classwork means, again if pages is there, you should continue in that only first chapter. If some students for basic maths you did one separate notebook means, for maths you do one more notebook, that is king size unruled notebook for classwork. So if pages is there in basic maths in that notebook means, you should continue in that only, no problem. Okay students, if pages is not there, should do one more new notebook, control notebook king size for maths. Exercise 1.1. First question. Following number line shows the temperature, in degree, that is Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day Students, draw the number line with pencil. Compulsory should use the scale to draw a straight line. Don't draw by hand. So number line should draw neatly. If you write question correct, then only easy to solve the problem. So -10 should use 4 small division, -5 0 5 10 15 20 25. The highest till 25 degrees there. So here another one is there. Name of the cities. Bengaluru. Next, Ooty. Next, Shimla. Next, Srinagar. Next, Lahore city. This number line already in the question is there, students. Who is having textbook very easy to write down the question. So now in this question, sub question 4 is there, A, B, C, D. We should solve one by one. So first A question is, observe this number line. Question A is, observe this number line and write the temperature, of the places marked on it. So this is question number 1, student. So now I give solution for question A. One question I will write and solve one question. Solution for question A. From the given number line, we observe, student, from the given number line, we observe the following temperatures. We observe the following temperatures. So, what you should do, student? Total, how many cities is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, write down. Should make a table. Cities and temperature. Should make one table by seeing this number line. This is the solution for question A. You should make two columns, cities and temperature. You should observe the number line. The given question is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So write down cities and temperature. First you write down Bengaluru, Bengaluru. Next, Ooty. Next, Shimla. Next, student, Srinagar. Srinagar. So, Bengaluru, how much is the student? Look here. Srinagar, Lahul Spiti. Last one is to continue and continue here. Should come continue there only. SP, Lahul Spiti. One more city is last city, Lahul Spiti. Fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 cities. Look here, student, how we should write down the temperature means. See here, after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 student. Bengaluru temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, the Ooty after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. 14 degrees Celsius. After Ooty, Shimla. Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. So after Shimla, Srinagar. Srinagar minus student. Always there. So much cold no Srinagar. Temperature is below 0 only. So -1, -2. -2 degrees Celsius. I explained no before first class only number line. Left of the 0 should take positive integers. Right of the 0. Sorry, left of the 0 should take negative integers. Right of the 0 should take positive. For positive side, 3 cities are coming. Bengaluru, Ooty and Shimla. So we take a positive. So left side, 2 cities are coming. Srinagar and Lahul Spiti. So 2 cities. So there the temperature is below 0 degrees. So much cold. So -1, -2 degrees Celsius Srinagar. And Lahul Spiti is after -5, -6, -7, -8. -8 degrees student. How much? -8 degree. Last city is -8 degree Celsius. Okay. So now this is they say to first question. The solution is this much. You should make a table of all 5 cities. So observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Write the temperature of the places. This is the solution of first question. You should write the temperature of all the places. Now from the number line, you should see and write the temperature. Okay. Now question B. What is the question B? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? See students, the temperature of the hottest place is C student. With positive sign you should take. The temperature of the hottest place is Bengaluru, how much is there? 22 degrees Celsius. And what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place they asked? So, coldest place is minus 8, minus 8 degrees Celsius. This is the coldest place. So, what is the difference between these two places? So, they asked for question B, solution. So, I love this number 9. So I'll continue here only comes to the fifth place because what is the difference between hottest place and the coldest place? They asked for in the question B solution. I'm writing question B solution. Question B I write first. What is the difference between what is the difference between what is the temperature? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the I'm writing one question and below that I'm writing the solution. In the textbook, all 4 questions at a time is the students. So I'm giving solution for one question. And the between the hottest and the coldest places among the above. Among the above. This is question number 2. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So students, write down the solution for B question. Solution. So the temperature of the hottest place. Students, look here. This is the hottest place. Bengaluru, 22 degrees Celsius is there. Hottest place. 22 degree Celsius. The temperature of the coldest place. Which is the coldest place today? Laos city minus 8 degree Celsius. They say to find the difference. Here they say to find the difference. So you write down difference means should subtract. Hottest place is 22 degree Celsius minus coldest place is 8 degree Celsius. Find the difference means you should subtract. Minus into minus plus 8 degrees Celsius, 22 plus 8, 30 degrees Celsius. This is the solution for question B. The difference between the hottest and coldest places how much correct? 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, question C. Copy down. Solution for B. Question B. What is the difference? 30 degree Celsius. Now, question C strength. What is the question C? What is the temperature difference between again? Question C also. What is the temperature difference between? What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Question number C student. Again, solution for question C. So, temperature of, again here you write, temperature of Lahore Spiti. You need this table student to see temperature. Temperature of Lahore Spiti, how much is that? -8 degree Celsius. And temperature of Srinagar. And temperature of Srinagar. How much is that? -2 degree Celsius. -2 degree Celsius. They say to find the difference. No, difference means here also should subtract. So difference equal to difference -2 is better than -8, no? So -2 degrees Celsius. Difference means subtract -8 degrees Celsius. Sum means you should find the total, add. Difference means you should subtract. Okay? -2 degrees Celsius. Minus into minus. Plus 8 degrees Celsius. So already yesterday I said, you know student, if one positive sign is there, one negative sign is there, subtract or find the difference and write the sign of the bigger integer. Okay, unlike sign, subtract 8 minus 2, 6. So 8 is better or 2, 8. Which sign is there? Plus. Write the bigger. Okay, yesterday I said the third rule, no? What yesterday I explained in the points, third point. When one positive and one negative integers are added, you take their difference and place the sign of the bigger integer. Place the sign of the bigger integer. Okay? You remember this point? So, this is the solution of question 3. Question C. Okay? Now, last question D. Question D, student. What is the question D? Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla? Can we say temperature of can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Question number 4 I'm writing. Taken together is less than. Taken together is less than the less than the temperature of Shimla temperature less than the temperature at Shimla. Is it also is it also less than the is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay, student, this is question number D. So, first you should write down temperature of Srinagar. Solution, student. Solution for question D. Temperature of Srinagar how much is the temperature of Srinagar? -2 degrees Celsius. And temperature of Shimla. Temperature of Shimla. How much is that? Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. So here they ask if you take temperature of both the cities taken together means temperature of the above cities taken together means both you should take together -2 degrees plus 5 both you should take together means you will get 3 degrees Celsius. And the temperature of Shimla, how much is the student? Temperature of Shimla 5 degrees Celsius is there. So, hence the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than how much is the student? In 5, subtract 3 means remaining 2 degrees Celsius, no? So, you should write down, hence the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is is less than that of of 2 degree Celsius. Okay, how much degree is less? 2 degree. That of Shimla. That of Shimla by 2 degree Celsius. Okay, so right? If you take both the temperature together means that is coming 3 degrees Celsius. So if you compare that temperature with Shimla means how much less? 2 degree, no? Temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So hence the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than. Taken together how much? 3 degrees can no? Taken together is less than that of Shimla by how many degree? 2 degree. In 5 degree, subtract 3. Remaining what? 2 degrees Celsius is less than that of Shimla. Okay, that of Shimla by how many degrees student? 2 degrees Celsius. This is the solution of question D. Okay, student. Now, in exercise 1.1, we solve one first question. In that, 4 sub questions is there. We solve all 4 A, B, C, D. So the fourth one is, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature of temperature at Srinagar? So you write down temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree, temperature of Shimla is 5 degree, temperature of the others which is taken together means that is 3 degrees Celsius. So temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So hence the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of Shimla by how many degree? 2 degree Celsius. This is the question number 1. Okay, student? Now question number 2. Question 1 is very lengthy for students. In that because 4 sub questions is there. We need more time for that. Now question number 2. Question number 2 in exercise 1.1. In a quiz, positive in a quiz, positive marks are given. Positive marks are given for correct answers. Correct answers and negative marks are given for wrong answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Given for incorrect answers. If Jack scores if Jack scores in 5 successive rounds, question number 2 students are writing here. 25 minus 5, minus 10, 15, and 10. What was is total at the end? Right? Already you know. You see, quiz in our school also. Always for correct answer, they will give positive marks. For incorrect answers, negative, minus. Even you will see in TV shows also, no? Quiz competition is there means for correct answer, positive, plus. For incorrect answers, minus, negative marks. So like that, job here also make this positive or given for correct answers. In a quiz, positive marks, you should get marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds, we are like this way: 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, and 10. And what was his total at the end means, first what we should write, student? Given score solution. I'm writing here solution for question 2. Given scores. Should write given scores are write this student 25. Where is the scores? Given scores are given scores are 25, minus 5, minus 10. I got the solution of question 1. Twenty-five minus 5 minus 10, 15, and 10. Then what we should write, student? Marks given for correct answers. Marks given for correct answers. Marks given for correct answers. So student, positive marks are for correct answers, no positive numbers 25, 15, 10. For correct answers, positive marks. Marks given for correct answers is 25, 15, and 10. What is the total, student? 25 plus 15. How much? 30, 40, total is 50. Okay? Total is 50. So, now what you write down? Marks given for correct answers 50. Marks given for incorrect answers. Marks given for incorrect answers. Negative marks, student. Should take the negative marks. For incorrect answers, we given negative marks, no? Minus 5 and minus 10. Should add both. Okay? Minus 5 and written there. Now I should write like this also. Step by step. Minus 5 and you should add. By the negative marks, you should add, no? Minus 5 plus into minus 10. The points I explained now, student, if the like sign is there, you should add and write the sum of two negative integers is negative. Yesterday I explained. Sum of two negative integers is negative. Okay? Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. If like sign is there means should add and write the same sign in front of the answer. Okay? Remember this point. Now, What they asked? What was his total at the end? So what was his total at the end? So therefore, total marks given at the end is equal to what was the total? What was his total at the end? Total marks given at the end is equal to what you should student? In the positive marks, you should add negative. Okay, then you will get the total marks. So 50 plus minus 15. You should write like this. What was his total marks at the end? Total marks given at the end is equal to in 50 you add negative marks, that is minus 15. Now 50, okay, plus into minus 50 in 50 you subtract 50, so remaining in 50 you subtract 15. No subtraction. You take one 0. 0 you can't subtract 5. You take one borrow. 10. 10 minus 5, 5. You are remaining 4. 4 minus 1, 3. What is the answer? 35. What is the answer, student? 35. Therefore, total mass given at the end is equal to, in positive marks, if you add negative marks means what will get 35. What is the total mass at the end? Just this computation 35 students. So this is the solution of question number 2. So now second question is very easy, no? So very easy always student. So given scores are 25 minus 5 minus 10 15 and 10. Marks given for correct answers. You take positive marks you should take 25 15 10 total 50. Marks given for incorrect answers minus 5 plus minus 10, that is minus 50. And in total marks given at the end means in 50 if you add negative marks means you get total 35. This is the solution of question 2. Again, third question is also on temperature only student. Third question is also on temperature. What is the question 3? Question number 3 is, it is also question is very lengthy. Question 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature? What was the temperature of Srinagar? What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Wednesday, it rose by. Rose means increase, friend. The meaning of rose means increase. It rose by. You want the given. Stop it, please. Rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was what was the temperature on this day? See, students, here, here also they given rose means increased strength. Okay, the meaning of the rose is, yeah, they also know here Tuesday or Wednesday rose by 4 degrees Celsius means increased. Okay, rose means increased. By. So I give solution for question 3. Temperature of Srinagar. Sorry, temperature of Srinagar. Okay. How much is on Monday? Minus 5 degree. So I write down solution. Solution. So initial temperature of. So student starting temperature of Srinagar. How much is there? Initial temperature of Srinagar on Monday. Initial temperature of Srinagar on Monday. How much is that? Minus 5 degree Celsius. And what happens, student? Again, I then need to drop it by 2 degrees Celsius. Drop means decreased. Drop means what, student? Decreased by 2 degree Celsius. What you should do? In temperature on Tuesday, you write down on Monday minus 5 degrees Celsius. Again, it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius means drop means you should take negative decrease minus 2 degrees Celsius. Again, like sign is there should add. That is 7 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next, therefore, temperature on Wednesday rose means increased. Temperature was increased. Temperature was increased by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Yes, most friends. Rose means I said no increase. How much increase? 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Therefore, they asked us the temperature of students. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on should I be a food? On Wednesday is equal to what you go student in minus 7 degrees Celsius to add 4 degrees Celsius. So again unless sign is there subtract Greater integer is 7. Minus sign is there. So write down minus 3 degree Celsius. So this is the solution of question number 3. So hence the required temperature. So write down student. Hence the required temperature on Tuesday. How much is it? Minus equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius on Wednesday student, and the temperature on the Wednesday and the temperature on Wednesday equal to minus 3 degrees Celsius. This is the solution of question number 3 in exercise 1.1. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Remaining questions I will continue in the next class.